Michael Cameron, broker, owner of Cameron Real Estate Services.
Since about 2006, we've been doing workplace workshops. We work with companies like the City of San Diego, City of Oceanside, Encinitas, Poway, Thermo Fisher Scientific, Cubic, a lot of different organizations in town. And they have us come in and talk to their employees about a variation of topics. And I do mostly the economic discussions, talks about real estate and the economy here in San Diego. And we help people, understand how to buy a house and find an affordable house in San Diego.